Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I am enjoying my time with Coda Bear. He's in the middle of watching some sort of movie right now, so I can actually do a video. I got my book order in, or I should say book order. I guess you could call it a book order because I bought it from Bima's Crafty Corner, her last sale. I bought Alice in Wonderland. I've been looking for a little golden book, Alice in Wonderland, and she had this art journal workshop book I thought was interesting. So let's take a look. Plus, I got given some cool books from my father-in-law I'm going to share on this one too. So we have Alice in Wonderland. I want to make a little golden book journal with Alice. And I like Alice in Wonderland, and I love the Mad Hatter. So he's my favorite character. So I've been wanting to do Alice in Wonderland in a while, and I'm kind of stockpiling some stuff for it. And I think I'm actually going to do it. Pages look great. No writing. That's the good thing. I was hoping that I meant to ask her and I didn't. So awesome. So I will be doing a little good book in the near future of Alice in Wonderland. And a little damage on a corner, but oh well. So, and then she had this art journal workshop, and I love art books. Anything crafty, artsy, anything to learn from when it comes to like mixed media or just learning a craft. And this, I took the tag off because I didn't want it on there anymore. I think it was $6 I paid for this. I don't remember. But it comes with this DVD or CD, whatever. Breakthrough, explore, and make it your own. And I thought, well, if I don't keep this DVD, when I opened this, when I first got it, I was looking at the book, I'm like, I may just use that in a mixed media thing because that's cool looking. I was like, oh, damn, if I don't even care about that, man, that'd be a cool piece of the mixed media part. So our journal workshop is from Tracy Bunkers. It was published in 2011. So we have 4 chapters. And introduction to visual journaling materials, working details, and art journaling exercises. And I was like, cool. How to prepare a journal, choosing a book, the thickness, paper weight, paper finish. So that's really cool to learn. Tips, miscellaneous tools, crafting tools, adhesives. So it's got everything, how to do layouts. So it's pretty cool. I was like looking through it earlier when Coda brought the mail in for me because he happened to be outside when the mailman came. So he wanted to open it, so I let him open it. I don't think he was too excited when he realized it was a book. I mean, he's like, what? I thought it'd be fun, he says. It wasn't his type of thing. So it was kind of cool. So love the graphics. The coloring in this book is awesome. I mean, that's a cool page right there. So learning is always fun. So when it comes to art journaling to me, what did they use on here? A cereal box is flattened, then cut in the desired size with scissors near the top. Hang an attachment with glue. Oh, so they used a cereal box. And, that's cool. So, and look at it. So that's awesome. So I'm gonna check this out and maybe read a couple pages in between reading Van Gogh and learn something. Then that's them from Bima's Crafty Corner sale. And then I went to my father-in-law's the other night and he said, hey, do you want these? And he said, I figured you could use them in your craft because whenever I'm down there and he's getting rid of something, I'm always looking through it, reading a stamp here, a picture there, or something. So he was going through his books and realized he had duplicates of these. And he thought maybe I could use them for ephemera. And like I said, if I don't use them, sell them. That's what he told me. So the first one we got is flowers. And they're the Golden Golden Guide Flowers. At one time, this was $2.95. So let's check it out. I'll bring you guys down a little bit. I don't know if... There we go. But I'm just going to speed through it like this. And look at it. The images are really pretty. I can see fussy cutting. I wouldn't tear out. I would try to break the book just so the pages stay whole, so I can fussy cut around that. That's what I would do. Shooting star. Thistle. Really pretty. Sunflower. I found my flower that my grandpa and I dug out of the ditch. I was looking. That's one of the things I looked up, and I don't know where it is in here. There it is, right there. Daylily. That is what my grandpa and I, when I was talking on my live last week, that is daylily is what my grandpa and I dug out. And they're still growing. So that's what I pick once in a while when I'm out and about. I have some in a hole. There we go. So that one's the flower. And we have birds. $1.95. Price went up. Look at the color tone. It's kind of cool. So let's see. Oh. So that's pretty cool. Cute. Pictures are small enough that they're perfect for ephemera. Look at that. Blue jay. White-breasted nuthatch. Crows. Mega pie. So that's cool. That's the birds. Then we have the insects. Oh, there's a receipt in here from 1997. Let's see. Something for $4.95. It says book. 45. I don't know. $12.95. I don't know. $63.90. I have no idea. Tax $32.20. Total $67.10. I have no idea. I can't read this little. That's my father-in-law's writing too. I don't know. So look at it. That'd be cool ephemeral right there. Oh, itchy nose. So. Ooh, look at that. We buy Tim Holtz stuff to get this. Look at that. So yeah. The thing is I think I would scan. Oh, see that one I wouldn't worry. So let's see. Back here. See? Double. So I might scan it so I can have both sides. There we go. This one is weeds. I named the book after Colorado. Ha ha! That's so funny for darn. Just kidding. So that's pretty cool. Awesome. Now, that's weed. This one is Know Your Ducks and Geese. 50 cents. So the pictures are cool. You know, if you were going to paint birds, this would be an awesome reference to see how they look, you know. Paint them. We'll say Canadian goose. Canada. You know, good reference for how they're painted. Awesome images, though. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Then we have Birds of Wisconsin Field Guide. Ooh, look at it. These are shiny. Shiny. Pretty. Male, female. Male, female. Those are kind of cool. images. Owl. Turkey. Big palm. Wild turkey. I laughed. They need to update this year round. Because I'll tell you, I just saw a turkey in my backyard. So, they don't hibernate. Pecking on my bird seed. Yeah, I have turkeys, and I live in the middle of the city. We have turkeys in our backyard. And then we have Trees of North American. At one time, this book was $4.95. Let's see. Oh, what is this? I think this is those little things that were in a, you saved when cigarette packs. B&W something. 1 coupon. Redeem something. What's this? Ooh, look at. We have a camel dollar. That's kind of cool, guys. Yeah, Joe. Oh, another one. Oh, 1 coupon B&W. Coupon for valuable gifts through the. Hang on, I'm trying to read that. Okay, it's really small. Really small. Great ephemera. Redeem BW coupon for valuable gifts through the Brown and Williams Premium Plan. Get famous BW coupons on every package of Rowley's or Bel Air cigarettes. Yep, that's what he used to smoke. That's from smoke cigarettes. That's kind of cool ephemera, though. I'd use that. Then we have Animal Tracks, which is black and white, but still kind of cool. Ooh, we got another one of those. Oh, what's this? Oh, piece of paper. What's it say? Brown County Library. Yeah, library. Oh, what? That's something. To Grandpa M from John and DJ and Scott. Aw. I have no idea. Did they give him this or not? Who knows? There's no writing anywhere to say that it did. So we used it as a little marker. Got a ruler on the back. So that's kind of cool, even if they're black and white. Still interesting. Then we have Wildfire Flowers of North America. Is this the same thing? Oh, no. This is Wild. Made by Golden. Because we have a Golden Guide Flowers. This is Wildflowers of North America. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. See, I would make a pig with that. He has that as a background. Pretty. Oop, not one of those. I like getting stuff you don't see. So these are pretty cool books. I could see using this as a ephemera. This would be really hard. I mean, you could fussy cut that all out if you wanted to, but I could see just taking that and making a tag. Excuse me. Cool books. More of those little. Them are cool anyways. So that is that of my books. That's nice of my father-in-law to think of me. I could see why he thought I could use that. Oops. So that is my books, guys. I don't think I got any more in that I can show you. I showed you the doodles. Yeah. Yeah. I know I'm waiting for another Van Gogh book that was supposed to be sent to me, and the guy forgot to send it. He said he'd send it sometime. So this week, I believe, this week or today, something. He's come up with dozen excuses. So I gave him one more week before I file a formal complaint. So I will talk to you later. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday. I'm going to put my books away. Maybe read a little bit in an art journal book and just chill with Coda Bear. He's into a movie. So I will talk to you later. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.